Hi! Today I'm cooking sweet and sour prawns in the air fryer.
The full recipe is in the description below.
Heat up some oil and then fry up the shallot. And then add tamarind sauce, followed by palm sugar. Keep stirring so that it doesn't burn. Add a little bit of fish sauce. Our aim is to let the sugar crystallize. Now we will put the prawns into the air fryer. Spray a little bit of oil to help them cook. Cook them for 12 minutes at 160 degrees. While they are cooking, we will prepare the toppings. Heat up some oil. And then fry up some shallots. We will add some chilies for flavor and color. Keep frying until the shallots are crispy. Now put the prawns onto a plate. And then top them with the tamarind sauce. Finally, garnish them with the fried shallots. You can put parsley on for decoration if you like.